Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up who can duet your videos. So first of all, go to your profile, then go to settings, and here go to the second option, privacy, and here if you scroll down you will see the duet section. If you tap on it, you have three options. Who can duet with your videos? Everyone, friends, or only me? So right now, if you want to grow an audience on TikTok and you are not creating TikToks just for your friends and family, I would suggest to you to set this option to everyone, because if others create duets with your videos, that can really grow your reach and your audience. So yeah, I would use that. Or if you don't want that option to be used, then you can set it to only me or to friends. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one. Bye.